Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is a video about the Digestive System Lab. So if we're in the Science 7 Schoology, we scroll down, let's just double check our lesson planner. It is for this week, despite that it says 26, it did start the 25th. And then let's go to Human Body Unit and Digestive System. Now, you'll want to make sure that you've done your digestive system notes first. So the notes are here, and you have a hard copy of them, and the PowerPoint that helps you with the notes is here. So let's go back. And then the Digestive System Lab is here. So let's go ahead and click on that, and you should have a hard copy of this. So let's go through this. The Digestive System Track the Tract Lab. So the objective of this lab is to show the length of each organ involved in digestion and describe how food moves through the digestive system. And then it gives us a hypothesis. In your hypothesis, I want you to tell me how long you think, granted, you can look here and see how long it is, but how long you think the digestive system tract is. We're using centimeters, so if you want to use meters or centimeters for this, that would be great. It's just kind of an educated guess. And then it says, here's what you'll need to create this project. So the adding machine tape or other roll of paper you'll have, meter sticks we have, scissors we have, and then markers and color pencils. So this is what you're going to do. It says, use the chart below to measure out the length of the organ you were assigned in the digestive system tract using a meter stick and your ticker tape, which is the adding machine paper. Cut that piece off the roll. Okay, so I'm thinking this needs to be done in at least pairs of some kind, unless you want to do it all together. Actually, I think everybody should do this. We have plenty of tape, ticker tape. On your tape, which is the paper, the adding machine tape, write the name of the organ, the mouth, say, and you're assigned all of the organs down the length of the tape. Write it in the center in neat letters so the name can be seen from far away. If possible, it should span the length of the ticker tape. Now, when you have an 11 centimeter length, that's pretty easy, but when you have a 690 centimeter length, which is close to 7 meters, that's a little bit more difficult. At the center of your tape, near the name, draw a picture of your organ. You might have to search that. If possible, it should span the length. Again, what you might want to do on the longer ones is just put it in the middle. At the end of your tape, write the answers to the following in complete sentences. So, what is the function of this organ? What happens to the food with this organ? Are there any other organs that interact with your organ? If so, which ones? What are the organs that come before or after? And you'll have to do that for each of these organs. You can just write it on the ticker tape or write it on the back of the ticker tape. It says the end, but you may not have enough room. Present your organs in order, in the order in which the food travels through the tract, and get it stapled in place. We're going to use tape. When it's all complete, we will hang it from the ceiling. So we'll have several digestive tracts hanging from our ceiling. After answering these questions and having completed your tract, it says, in all, how long is it? Now, if you did not measure, you can always add these up and tell me in meters or centimeters. Why is this important? Why is it important that the digestive tract is so long? What happens in the digestive tract that is a requirement for life? And then it says, choose a digestive organ. So any of these, choose one, and describe what would happen if that particular organ stopped working. So say if the stomach stopped working or the large intestine just stopped working, what would happen? And you'll answer those and you'll turn this in. So please, when you draw the organ, feel free to use the colored pencils or the markers so you can get some color in there. And like I said, if you need to upload a picture of what the esophagus looks like or the small intestine looks like to the best of your ability, feel free. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.